Installing 12.3 Carplay screen to Audi Carplay。
先把这个挂档这个盖子把它拆开，把这里取出来。这个位置把这个盖板取出来，里面有一个。
Open the silver decorative strip in this position. Pull the gear up, then press the whole panel. Then remove the decorative strips above. Then open the 6 screws in the storage box.
6个螺丝。
Then use the special key to remove the CD host. Remove all the plugs in the back.
要把 CD 机后面的。
Let's take off the storage box directly. Then remove the 6 screws from the decorative strip. There is also a screw under this that has also been removed. Use a special keychain to remove the key panel. There are 2 screws in this to be removed. Then pull down the air conditioning button panel. Put the wheel we prepared in this position. This antenna can be glued to the plastic position. It can be controlled by voice. Increase the volume. Turn off music. Make a phone call. Calling mobile customer service. Play the video.